Abdul Aziz, do you like birds? You're not afraid of the bird? What will happen if the bird catch you and fly away? No? Sure? You're not afraid? Okay, this is not for you, for the bird. Don't eat. Okay, your bird is gonna come from that side. You see there? This capman is releasing the bird from there. Look there. Maybe it is from the tree. Where is Haji? Yeah, this is our case smallest one in the falcons family. There are 37 species of falcons, out of which he is the one in the small family. Can I have a big hand for the good vision at the day, also at the night? Have you ever known that this bird can hunt through sense of hearing? Let me explain. I have two empty boxes here, and I have a small voice record of insect name called cricket, which is owls hunt when they don't find food. Maybe you all are familiar with the sound. Let me play for you. Have you heard the sound?
Yes.
Have you heard the sound?
Yes.
This side. Ready? Okay, now you're going to choose me. Which box can you get? The left or right? Okay. Just stand up and say which one. You are or this one. Other. No. Other. This one. Sure? Okay, sit back. No cheating. Alright? Okay. My barn owl is going to identify where it is. Big party. Gentlemen, close your eyes. Both of you. No cheating. No peeping. I'm strapping the box. Owls, whenever they landed, they rotate their face like a satellite. They can sense a sound up to 20 feet down. Let's try one more. Now you all understand that they can use their accurate sense, through that they can hunt. Owls, they cannot move their eyes, only head can move. I can hear you. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please be seated. Please be seated. So, here she is. Yeah. Good evening. How are you today? Shamsar, how are you? Say hi to everyone. Look at the back benches. Okay, say bye-bye and thank you for... She's not allowing you to talk. Full of cheating. How many degree do you think owls can rotate their head from left to right? How many degree? 360. 180. Who can say? I'll give you a big gift. Who can say? Who can say? Yeah, what number it is? 360. If you guess 270 is the right answer from left to right, because all the bones here in the back side called reticulus is on the owl side. The human doesn't have, so they can rotate left to right 270 degrees. Owls, whatever the hunt, they swallow, they don't chew and eat. We have a long meat with us. Brother, can you show me the back machine? Hope you can see. Alright. Now let's count together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I have a big hand for our Najma? Thank you so much, Najma. What is this? It's a cup? Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Shall we play a game?
Yes.
100-meter running race between our tiger and lion. Your team is going to support lion. Your team is going to support tiger by giving a big clap. Ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Tiger. Come on, tiger. Lion. Lion is here for lion. Okay, ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Take care, take care. Thank you so much, everyone. On the stop. Ready? Here we go. This is Harrison. The bird is from America. He now hears the voice of the sky. When they fly, they get to the place. The eye vision is 8 times more than human being. You know, they can travel in between the trees very, very fast. These ones you will learn. Sit back and enjoy the return show. Ladies and gentlemen, can I have a big hand for our eagles? This is the head is white color. They change their face color to white to red. Our Egyptian watcher Cleopatra, she loved to eat egg. We can clear. Come on, clear. Yeah, even it is fake, you cannot break. In the wild, they use around 1.5 hours to 2 hours to break a one big egg. Now he's giving challenging. He's exchanging the egg with the chicken egg. Let's see what's going to happen. Can I have a big hand for our Egyptian watcher Cleopatra? She knows very well that she cannot break that into the soft area or the grassy area. She will bring that in the hard surface, a rocky place. Just throw it and smash it like this. Come on, Cleo. Yeah. Show everyone. That's it, Cleo. Yeah. Show everyone and the backbench team. See, all are eagerly waiting for you to see. They want you in the kitchen. Come on, Cleo. One last time, Cleo. One last time. She's good at breaking the eggs. Yeah. Do harder. Thank you. Now, fake it with the cholesterol. He's reducing cholesterol. Okay, you can go. Yeah, if you are lucky, you can see the running star. Okay, Gilio, it's very amazing. Come on, Gilio. Left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, right, left. Egypt is that way. Come on. You can ask anyone. Because of this kind of work, they're getting the cloud conscious. They can fly up to 37,000 feet above from the sea level. Can I have a big hand? The highest flying bird in the world. They can fly up to 37,000 feet, around 11 to 12 kilometers above from the sea level. Say bye, ladies and gentlemen, say bye. He can hear you. If she goes, I will give you something big. Yeah. Haji, what is next? He's bringing an elephant. What about dinosaur? Yesterday you promised me you will bring a dinosaur today. Do you want to see something big? Do you want to see the largest ones in the world? Miss the shots. Ready? Okay, just focus there. The one is landing. This is our leopard face vulture, one of the largest vultures in the world from Africa. He is also known as African king vulture or European vulture. The speciality of the bird is when this bird, the wingspan is 3 meters long. You are going to see the wingspan very shortly. Look at his beaks. The beaks are very, very strong. They can break through a water, buffalo skin. Most of the small birds before they turn after the vultures. He can hold up to 13 pounds of food, around 6 kg of meat on his croaks and gizzards. The bird, he got their name from the neck. There is a small fold here in the neck. That's why they call leopard face vulture. One of the aggressive vulture from Africa. He's all going to open his wingspan right now. Can I have a big hand? Big one of the aggressive vulture from Africa. The group of Thank you, sir. Thank you, Haji, for participating in the show. I think all the way is going to fly back to Africa, it seems, sir. Yeah? I have something to show you as well. The one is landing. This is a sacred ibis. They normally wait for their turn after the vultures. Ladies and gentlemen, we are winding up the workshop. Can I have a big hand for the birds? Thank you so much once again. Good luck and bye. Thank you.
Haji.
आते पापा
Haji.
आते पापा